Hello friends, this is your studies study with us. So friends, IPS Clerk 2022 notification is out officially now. You can check it in this description also. There is 6,000 plus vacancies for IPS Clerk and online examination for pre in September 2022 first week or second week, and online registration from tomorrow to 21/7/2022. Okay friends, so for any update you can subscribe, share and comment this video. We will upload another video regarding form fill up. This is another chance for banking aspirant. Stay tuned, stay hydrated. Thank you.